6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, we've got a couple advisories to tell you about. Small craft advisories in the offshore waters as the winds have really picked up this afternoon along the coast and into the evening hours. Coastal flood advisory till 4 a.m. on Friday. That's higher than normal tides on area beaches. The water's coming up with these persistent northeasterly winds that again are a little frisky today. We're seeing the light rain come up from the south, and there's more coming this evening up through about midnight and beyond, and this will eventually slide off to the east beginning first thing tomorrow morning. So Thanksgiving looks to be dry but still kind of cloudy. In the short run, our evening forecast calls for temperatures in the mid-50s. Pretty raw outside with the north to northeast wind at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. It's really not going to slow down. And again, just light rain totaling maybe 1/10 of an inch here over the next 5 or 6 hours. Again, you can see it working up from the southwest to the northeast across the coastal bend. There is this area of low pressure out here in the Gulf attached to that front that went through a couple days ago, and eventually that'll work off. That's what's going to carry the moisture away from us as this begins to kick out with an upper level disturbance coming along right here in the north central part of the state and then push off to the east. So better weather tomorrow, not great, but better. And then this front will come in on Sunday. It's more Pacific than Canadian in origin, so it is going to make it chilly here, especially at night, but it's not all that bad. The temperatures at least will recover into the 60s behind this front, so we'll call it moderately strong. It's not as strong as the last front, though. There's the upper level low. Again, that's what's drawing the moisture up from the south and then curving right around it towards southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana. That's going to move on by, and then high pressure will take over briefly for the next 2 or 3 days till that low comes in. Let's watch it on the upper level future tracker, and again you can see that second low coming our way. That's going to wait for this one to catch up to it and drive south. There's our front on Sunday. That front comes in and then pushes rapidly off to the east. We maintain a west and southwesterly flow, so we're going to see again, moderate temperatures here, but cold at night, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. There's the cloud cover. Again, the lion's share of it is out here in the Gulf of Mexico and into southeast Texas, where the rain is heavier there than it is here in the coastal bend. The weather pattern calls for this trough along the coast where we will see light showers and staying cool to chilly this evening. And then the rain ends early tomorrow, staying mainly cloudy, though, as it'll be slow to clear out with those southwesterly winds aloft. We'll see some breaks in the clouds. That means some sunshine Friday and Saturday indeed, so we warm up ahead of the cold front here significantly. And then the front comes in Sunday about noon. And again, it's not a real strong front, so it'll be breezy. Temperatures will be falling into the 50s and 40s here by Sunday night. Future tracker shows again the rain coming up from the south and then ending by tomorrow morning. Still staying pretty cloudy, though, across the area during the day tomorrow. A few sprinkles perhaps on Friday morning, then it clears out Friday afternoon. Looking good. Same thing's going to happen on Saturday. NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 52 tonight, 65, and cool tomorrow. 78 on Friday, can you believe that? And warming up to 81 Saturday. There's the Sunday front. It comes in dry, a little windy behind it. And then the lows drop off Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday morning, Lee, into the 40s with highs in the 60s. That's not too bad. At least we're not talking 30s.